The brain is not braining. Otherwise, research shows that it's podcast and chill. Yeah. That's the research that we got. It's the biggest podcast in Africa is Podcast and Chill with Meg G and Sol and Ghost Lady. I love that show. Shout out, guys.
Wow, dog!
Anyway, uyakopa.
No. Andikopi njonga kwanto.
I wonder if you get this one. Oh, I suppose because this is a new show, guys. So on Sabbath somewhere, I was supposed to announce about how much or what prize do you get if you win? What is BCT Studio sponsoring us with if you get the correct answer? So kahle kahle bethe for each question umuntu akayifumanayo I should offer 10 rand. So it's 5 questions which means 50 rand. You right ne?
Yeah, it's fair. No.
Ayikho ncinci.
Ayikho ncinci.
Uthanda ezincinci.
Thando esikhulu but
Oh my God!
Wena kancane uyavela wena. Wena kancane wena uyavela.
Mina ubala ngeke.
Uyavela. Kancane nje kancane. Kodwa kona uyavela.
Kancane
ngiyavela.
uyavela.